Okay, I'm at Fort Stevens State Park, watching out for cougars and other nasty wildlife that definitely need to be petted. Just kidding. Anyway, this is battery 245, I think. Here's a gun over here. It's been 3 years since I've been here. I don't even remember if we can get inside this battery or not. Looks like there's a door closed at this side. That's heartbreaking. Oh well. Nice big gun mounted on a turret. Looks like the end of the barrel is sealed off, so you can't try to do a test firing. Bummer. Okay, so I'm going to do the lower level first, see if I can find my way in. Although if I remember correctly, actually, you know what? Yeah, I'll check this door. If it's locked, I'll go to the other end. But yeah, looks like I'm not going to get inside this one. And the verdict is... no, it's locked. Bummer. I really want to get inside there too. All right, well, so there's the south end.